everyone. I'm Pam Maragliano, Chief Editor for Dental Economics Magazine, and I'm here at a dental show with my buddy India Chance. Hi, welcome.
Thank you for having me. I'm excited to be here.
I'm so excited to have you here because you're going to learn something, few things actually, really quickly and that are really important. We're going to talk about suction lines.
Yes.
How important is it for us to be cleaning our suction lines?
Absolutely important. One of the biggest things with cleaning your suction evacuation lines is we all know about aerosols. We learned a lot about that during COVID, right? And how dangerous aerosols can be. And so it is very important that practices are cleaning their suction lines to make sure that their suction is strong enough to mitigate all of those dangerous aerosols.
So we know we should be doing it. How often should we do it?
Most of your manufacturers will recommend daily cleaning, so you do want to make sure that at the end of every day, in every operatory where dentistry is delivered, you are cleaning your lines. And then after any heavy procedures, so even if maybe you're working in an oral surgery's office or if you are doing perio surgery, you're going to want to clean those lines after those appointments.
Oh, that's so interesting. Now let's talk about the materials that we're flushing through our lines. Utilizing a material that's non-foaming is more important, right?
Yes, very much so, because the problem with foaming is it creates a film, and what happens is that film accumulates inside of the vacuum, and it actually can destroy the inner workings of the unit, and if it gets really bad, it will shut down the unit, and now you have what we like to call a doctor down day, where if you don't have suction, you're not seeing any patients that day.
That's so bad.
Yeah,
that's so bad.
No.
Okay, so I worked in offices where they use like a bucket. Right, and they'd stick the suction in there.
Yeah.
Is that still a thing?
It is still a thing, but it's not recommended, because when you use a bucket, you actually do not properly clean the lines. So you want to use a dispenser, similar to what you see here. It has attachments, so they're hands-free attachments, so you can attach the suction lines, go about your day. It's great for your workflow. But the more important thing about this dispenser is that it pulls in the cleaning solution in a circular motion. It's called a vortex. And so what that vortex does is it cleans the entire inside of the line. If you're using a bucket, it kind of creates like a pinhole and you're only cleaning like maybe the bottom portion of the line. And so what happens is things get blocked and clogged, and then before you know it, again, another doctor down day. So you want to make sure that you're using a dispenser specifically with that vortex technology.
That's incredible. So I told you were going to learn a few tips today, and you want to go back to your practice and make sure that you're practicing safely, but also utilizing materials and techniques that are going to provide longevity to your equipment.
Absolutely, yeah, you definitely want to do this. I mean, there's a lot of studies that said basically when you maintenance your equipment, it lasts longer, it reduces burnout with the staff, and it works better to help you deliver safer dentistry, and that's really what this is all about.
So we've been working together for a while.
Yes.
If there's a product that's India approved, just close your eyes and use it in your office. It's good. All right, everybody, thanks for joining us, and we'll see you next time.
Bye.